Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to be adding more drawbacks to the origin that I made in the previous video and also explaining how to evolve your origin. So let's begin. So we will go back into the powers folder of our origin and then create a new power file which will be called fire.json, and this power will make it so that we take more damage from fire or any type of fire source. So the power type will be origins modify damage taken. So let me just write that real quick. Taken, and then there will be the modifier, which is going to be which is going to contain the operation, which I'm going to set to multiply total, and then there's going to be the value, which I'm going to set to 4. Then after this, I'm going to create the damage condition. So when will the damage be modified? And inside of damage condition, I'm going to add one more thing, which is the type. So the type will be origins or. So only one of the following conditions need to be fulfilled for this to actually work. And then there's going to be the conditions, and this is going to be an array. So the first condition is going to be type origins name, and then the name of the damage condition. Let's go back. So the name of the damage condition will be in fire. Then I'm just going to copy this and paste this 4 times. The next one is going to be on fire. Then after that will be in lava, and finally we will have hot floor. I'll just add commas after every condition except the last one, and then add a comma here. So this is our damage condition, and then this is going to be the name. So the name will be fragile, and the description I'm going to set to your plant like body does not handle fire very well, and that's our power. So I'm just going to quickly check if there are any parser errors in the power. So for that, I'll go to a website called jasonline.com, and this is just a parser checker. Let me paste this, and this is a valid JSON. So this means this power is going to work. So let's just save this and add this to our origin inside of mossy fungal, which is going to be fungal fire. So let's go back in game to /reload and also give ourselves an orb. Let's take human and then now choose our origin. So there's poison touch, the health, the skin, and the fragile. Your plant body does not handle fire very well. And if I change my game mode to survival and also give myself a flint and steel, you'll see that I take a lot more damage from fire, and you don't want to be inside a fire. Just ignore all of this. One thing I forgot to mention in my previous video is that if you want to use a power from the origins mod, you just go to the wiki and go down to powers, and these will be all the powers that are provided in the mod. And if you click on them, it will show you the code that it is using for the power. And also, if you want to know what these powers do, you just go to origins and then go to the power you're looking for in the origin. So like arachnid, I was looking for arthropod, and this explains what this power does. So now that our origin is complete, I'm going to show you how to evolve your origin, or better explained as our origin will get more and more powers as we get more and more achievements. So for that, we'll go into our origins folder and then create the new origin, which will be mossy fungal 2.json. Save this, and we'll copy the entire first one and paste it into the second one and save this for now. Then go back into the first one and remove some powers. So I'll just move this. Yep. And we'll come back to this later. But for now, we'll go into the second one and add one more thing at the end, which is unchoosable. Unchoosable, and set this to true. So we cannot choose this origin when we're selecting origins or using an orb. We can set this if we use commands, but we cannot if we are using an orb or when we enter the world for the first time. This will be the one that we can choose and will be the one that upgrades into the other origin. For that, we'll after the description we'll add upgrades, and this is an array. So inside of upgrades will be condition, and this will be the advancement that makes you upgrade the origin. So I'll just set this to story slash iron tools, and this advancement is the isn't it an iron pick achievement or advancement. So if you want to see all the advancements, you can go in game and type in slash advancement grant at rate of a only, and these are all the advancements that are inside of Minecraft. And one more thing, these recipes, these are a lot of recipes. So if you just want to go to the story one, you can type this to make it easier, or you'll just have to scroll endlessly. Anyways, we'll go back into our origin. After the condition will be the origin to what it upgrades to. So I'll just set this to fungal and mossy fungal 2, and then finally will be the announcement. So I'll just copy the spellings from here because I am a bad speller. In the announcement is just a message that will appear telling you whatever you write here. So I'll just type in your origin has been upgraded. Better check it again, and save this, and this will be our origin. So we'll just go back into the origins layer folder and then add this origin as well. So if I copy this and then just paste it here, add it to, and this is added. So we'll do slash reload and then choose our mossy fungal origin. So you can see this is the mossy fungal.json, which only has the skin and the fragile ability. So if I choose this, you can see these are only the only two powers. But if I give myself an iron pickaxe, you can see I get the advancement, and there is also the message your origin has been upgraded. Better check it again. Now if I check my origin again, you can see it has all the powers. So that is basically it for this video. If you want me to be explaining some other powers that are not going to be related to this origin, feel free to ask me in the comments. But anyways, I'll see you in the next video, which is going to be about sub origins. So bye bye.